baci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everybody, I'm Ross from Tait Real Estate and welcome to Thirsty Thursdays. Today we're here to talk about gins. We've got 4 gins for you here today. One from Scotland, one from Ireland, and these 2 from London. Jamie, what are you going to make?
Perfect. So I'm making Hendricks Gin with cucumber. Actually, Hendricks Gin, when it's distilled, they actually use cucumber in the distilling process. And so pretty easy. Just some gin.
I like the way you pour.
Some cucumber. A bit of tonic. Garnish it off like that.
And this next one is from Ireland and it's Haypenny. And traditionally in Ireland, especially in Dublin, they use a lot of fruit when they're doing their gin and tonic. So Jamie's going to pour this one with tonic and then add some fruit to it as well. Alright. And while he's doing that, I'm going to move on to sort of more of the traditional, which is a London style. It's a Tanqueray, and it would be sort of what we see a lot of here in Canada. And I'm going to use 2 different mixes, one tonic, and because it's bikini season, I'm going to also put a little bit of soda in there, just to lighten it up. And of course the traditional garnish is with lime. One to give you the flavor and one to give you the looks of it.
Perfect.
There you go. 3 gin and tonics, all with distinctive flavors, all using gin and tonic as well. So,
Perfect.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's refreshing. Very good.